How you doing, folks? Let me show you what I'm working on. Now this is just a sort of close-up worker's take on one of the bigger illusions you would see on TV. Now for this I like to use the two black jacks, so we will need the jack of spades and also the jack of clubs. There we are. And we also need a glamorous assistant. Now just keeping in the sort of traditional vein, we'll use a glamorous lady. So we have the Queen of Hearts here, we also have the Queen of Clubs. In fact, you know what, we'll go for the Queen of Diamonds. There we are. But this can be any card that you want really, if you really want to do it that way. Now what's going to happen is, we're going to turn the two black jacks into the box that the glamorous assistant or the queen would get chucked into. So during the routine and all these sort of things on TV, they grab the woman and they chuck her into the box so she can't escape. And once she's in there, they'll bring out a big saw and saw on through. Now you're going to be nice, we'll actually take her and put her in face down so she can't see it coming. But if you do that, you need to make sure she's actually just at the right spot, so about there will do. Now once she's there, you can take your imaginary knife and just run it down the middle, or so if you want. And once you've done that, you should be able to move the top and bottom half independently, just like that. Now of course, if this was a real woman, this will be very, very painful. Now, we want to put it back together because it would be mean keeping her kind of separate like that, so you have to make sure these sort of two halves you have here are all sort of lined up and perfect before you do it, otherwise she'll come out a little bit wonky. But at this point in time, we've got her all lined up absolutely perfect, and of course everything can be inspected, even the box, even the grand little lady there, and it's just a close-up sort of worker's version of the sewing in half or zigzag illusion. Thanks for your time, folks.